It looks like he's working out again. And well, I don't think he is in the mood for any intense exercise today because he is just doing yoga. Let's not disturb him. You know, he comes to the park every day to work out so that his mind stays fresh and his body remains healthy. He surrounds himself with plants to inhale fresh air. Do you remember we saw in the last video that oxygen is liberated as a byproduct during photosynthesis? Well, now the question is that, is oxygen released from water or from carbon dioxide, since both the reactants are present during photosynthesis? This made the scientists curious, and in 1930, a scientist named Van Niel decided to do something about it. So, on his quest for an answer, he observed photosynthetic bacteria very carefully. He noticed that during their process of photosynthesis, they make carbohydrate from carbon dioxide but do not release oxygen. So, on the basis of his observation, he hypothesized that plants split water as a source of hydrogen, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Now, this was just a hypothesis. It could be right or wrong. After all, it's only the second stage of a scientific method. So, about a decade later, in 1940s, Van Niel hypothesis was confirmed when scientists were able to make an isotopic tracer, oxygen-18 or O18 in biological research. Let me elaborate. So, in this experiment, scientists prepared heavy isotope tracer of oxygen-18 in the laboratory and used it to make water and carbon dioxide. They made two experimental groups. In group 1, scientists supplied green plants with water containing heavy isotope O18 and carbon dioxide containing normal oxygen O16. In the second group, plants were supplied with water containing common oxygen O16, but with carbon dioxide containing heavy isotope of oxygen-18. Are you with me so far? Okay, so then they waited for photosynthesis to take place. When the results were observed, it was found that the plants of first group produced oxygen-18, but the plants of second group did not. Hence, Niel's hypothesis was proven that water is the source of this atmospheric oxygen that we get. Another thing that scientists noticed during this isotopic experiment is that while oxygen is being liberated from the splitting of water, the hydrogen that is produced here is not being wasted either. It goes to the carrier NADP and reduces it to NADPH2. This NADPH is the reducing power which was formed during light reactions with the ever so important ATP. NADPH reduces carbon dioxide to form sugar during dark reactions. But what exactly are these light reactions and dark reactions? These are actually steps of photosynthesis that we will learn about later. But first, let's see where these reactions of photosynthesis takes place. Any guesses? Let me give you a hint. It occurs in organelles that impart green color to the plants. Put your thinking caps on, friends, and stay with me to keep learning.